Welcome to the Magic Station channel. Today, I'll show you how to make a crochet summer slipper keychain or bag charm. I'm using 25 grams per 70 meters yarn and a 2.2 millimeter hook. Start by making a chain of 10 stitches. Round 1. In the first chain, work 3 chain stitches. Then work 2 more double crochets in the same chain. Work 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 chains. In the last chain, work 6 double crochets. Then work 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. Finish with 3 double crochets in the last chain. You should have 28 double crochets in total. Round 2. Make a chain of 3 stitches. In the first 3 stitches, work an increase in each stitch. Work 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. In the next 6 stitches, work an increase in each stitch. Work 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. Then work an increase in each of the last 3 stitches. Round 3, make 6 slip stitches. Then make 3 more slip stitches. Work 2 single crochets. Then 3 double crochets. Repeat the following sequence 6 times. Double crochet, increase, double crochet. Then work 3 double crochets, 2 single crochets, and finish with 9 slip stitches. The first layer of the slipper sole is complete. Make a second layer exactly the same way. Now join both layers together. Next, we'll start working on the upper part of the slipper. Start by making a chain of 10 stitches. Then chain 5 more stitches. Then chain 10 more stitches. For the second row, work single crochets all the way across. And here's the finished summer keychain. Thanks for watching, and thank you for the like.